Wow, it's a beautiful day, and it's a day that we are back as Movie Farm to tell you all that we've been working on in these past few months. I know I've not been posting, but I'm bringing you a good formula of what I'm doing at Movie Farm and what has made our goats to succeed. So today we are just going to learn about goat farming. We're going to discuss. It's more of like a chit chat. Drop your comments if you have any questions. Let me know what is that thing that is keeping you from starting your own goat farm. We want to discuss, and I'm going to bring you more and more videos about goat farming because that's what we are concentrating on as we end 2024 in style. We want to end 2024 in style. So I would like to show you how goat farming is done, what we currently are doing, what you need to start your own goat farm here in Kenya, and what will make you succeed in goat farming. So if this is your channel, if you love to know about goat farming, please subscribe. Keep the notification bell on. Let me know what you'd like to learn about goat farming in the coming few weeks, and keep tuned to the channel. I'm going to bring you back-to-back videos about goat farming in the next few days. And to start us off, I would like us to just discuss what is that thing? What are the 5 crucial things that you need before starting your own goat farm? Because I've had a lot of questions. People have been asking me what these questions, even across Facebook, across TikTok, and people would like to just start farming, but they don't know where to start. So where do you start as a goat farmer? So the first thing about farming, and this can be any type of farming, it can be fish farming, crop farming, dairy, anything. If it touches farming, then it needs land. So the first thing that you need before start, when you start thinking about farming, is do you have land? And this piece of land, how big is it? How big, how small? You can start farming with a small piece of land. You don't need acres and hectares of land. You only need dedication and passion. So, how big is your land? And when we talk about land, where are you located? We know very well that different locations have different climatic, what is it called? Climatic situations or wherever. What is your climate? Is your climate good for goat farming? Or do you need to do a different kind of farming? So when you come into farming, we start with the land. What do you own? That small piece of land that you own, how big is it? What can it be able to sustain? Are you doing zero grazing? Are you taking them to the field? Do you have like big farms, big places where you can take them? So those are the things that you need to ask yourself. Then, if you have the land, the other second thing that you need to know is the water. All types of farming need water. It is the kind of farming that you are doing that will determine how much water. If you're doing crop, you need a lot of water. If you're doing goats and cattle, how many are you going to start with? And what the quantity of water, how much water are you going to need in a given day? And where are you going to get this water from? Is it water from your own farm? Have you done a borehole? Have you done a well? Are you near a river? Are you going to bring water to the farm using maybe a boozer or lorries? Are you using the tap water? What is your water situation? What is your source of water? And where are you going to get that water? So we've said you need land, then you need water. The other thing that you need is to know your climate condition or your climatic for that region. Are you in hot area? Are you in a very wet area, which is very cool? Maybe it's snowing where you are. So that climatic condition will determine the type of goat or cattle or farm animal that you're going to keep. So that's also very key. That is number 3. Number 4, how much capital do you have? And when we talk about capital and we talk about farming, you do not need millions to start. If you're a beginner, you only need a small capital, or you also need a source that is continuous. If you're using your salary, you need to know how much are you going to put into the goat farm to enable you invest slowly and slowly as the months come, add the many goats as you wish, and also as the goats multiply, you can be able to sell and reinvest into other goats. So we've said you need land, you need water, you need to know your climate or the region that you are, then you need your capital. What is this capital that you have? Do you have millions of capital, or do you have a small capital that you're going to maybe plow back into the business? The other thing that you need to consider is the type of breed. The breed that, what goats are you going to farm? Are you doing commercial goat farming, or are you doing sustainable farming whereby you're just doing small scale? Are you doing large scale? And those goats or whatever cattle that you're going to keep. But today we are just going to discuss about, and in the coming weeks, if you're new to the channel, in the coming weeks we are just going to discuss about weeks, and we're going to do many videos about goat keeping. So if you're new to the channel, please just subscribe, put the notification bell on, and let's discuss goats. You will see back-to-back videos about goats, because I've realized that there is little out there about starting your own goat farm, and goat farming is very, very profitable. If there's a business that you can start with 3 goats and end up with 30 goats in 6 months, it's goat keeping. If there's a farming venture that is easy to start without strain, because when a goat is mature and you take the goat to the market and you don't find a buyer, or that buyer is not buying at whatever amount that you want, you go back with your goat. A goat is not tomato that it's going to go bad, that it's an onion that after 6 months it becomes weightless, the kgs are no longer there, and therefore you are afraid to keep. A goat is a very profitable venture. It will give you can start with 0 and earn millions, depending on how you're going to do your goat farm. So we will have these discussions in the coming weeks. I will tell you what you are going to do, what you are doing in Mbuvi Farm in the coming weeks, and we'll just discuss about goat farming in general. Like, where do I start from? How much do I need to start a goat farm? How many do I need? And therefore, today I'm just going to give you like the key essentials. And we've discussed and we've said that you need the land, you need water, you need the capital, you need to know your climatic um, uh, where you are, your climatic region, and then we also need to know about the capital that you have. The other thing that you need to consider is the market, but I would not want to discuss the market right now, because I know that you will never lack market to either sell your goat or to or market to buy. So let's pack markets a little bit. We will have a good topic on key things to consider, maybe when you start your goat farming and you want to do market and all that. But today, let's not discuss about market. Let's just discuss about those key issues, the key things, the bare minimum things that you need before you start your goat farm. And please remember to tune in back tomorrow, or just keep your notification bell on, because I will be posting back to back videos about goat farming, and we'll just have a chit chat of goat farming. If you have any questions for me, if you have like a specific topic that you would like me to cover, please put in the comment section. I'll be able to reply to your comment. I will also be able to answer you. And if you've not subscribed to our channel, please do so, because we are having these discussions. I will call them discussions, and I will teach you on what to do when it comes to goats. And for now, I'm going to say bye bye. Keep that notification bell on, and let's meet tomorrow for another topic.